you miss Granny today? Yeah? Say I love you. Say I love you, Granny. Have a kiss? Move the hair out of your face. Did you miss Granny today? What do you want? What? Really?
Stop.
So your ABCs for Granny. HIJKLMNOP. Yay! You're so smart. Oh, don't whine, because Granny doesn't like whiners.